Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Soumya from Book Feast. This video focuses on Chennai Book Fair 2021 log, which is the 44th book fair. Myself and my sister have gone to the book fair and we have planned to take a video. Spend your treasureful time for books rather than people because they lend you ears often. Yeah, the main motive of posting this as a video is that we want the people who watch the video to know about book fair and to gain their knowledge through books. Books are the wonderful thing which makes you travel into the imaginary world and gain knowledge at the same time. We all know that this is the 44th book fair and they gave us certain rules to follow, like when you enter the book fair it is strictly said that you have to take the mask and your temperature should be checked once you get into the hall, and also you must use the sanitizer. As this is covid time, they have kept certain rules, and the things that you have to do is, if you are a college or school student, do take your id card with you, because when you go with your id card you are allowed to go in the special counter. This time they have allotted counter number 7, and here we go with the whole collections of Agatha Christie. You can buy these books with 10% discount. Yeah, as I have told you before, when you go with your ID card, you need not pay for the token. So you can directly enter to the counter number 7. This time it seems to be counter number 7. So there are almost about 700 shops. So it is not the compulsion that when you want a certain book and when you want it in the different publication, you can straight away go to the shop and you can get it. And the book fair seems to be once a year. So try to go to the book fair next year, that is the 45th book fair. Here the books are arranged according to the genre, so it is easy for you to get books according to your access. It's such a wonderful sight to see a combination of single book together, right? Yeah, these are the books for children especially, followed by the fictions. You can even read the book of your choice and then select it. These are the illustrated works, especially for kids. When I saw it for the first time, I was in the point of buying it. Then I thought I'm not a kid to do, right? So then I skipped and I bought some of the books. So we have also posted the video, the books that I have purchased in the book fair. If you're in need of that, if you want to just have an idea what to buy or thing, refer the description for the link. We have also posted videos on books for rupees 10, 20, 30, 50 and 100. So do watch it, you can get an idea. So these are the books for kids, as I've told you already. These are Tintin collections. Here you can get books from illustrated work to the original one. So you can choose book according to your choice, and I have tried to cover almost 90% of books in this book fair. So I hope the video will be useful to you with all kinds of books. You can also just read 5 to 10 pages, and once you like it you can pick the book. It's not the compulsion that you have to get the book by seeing only the outer cover. So when you go to certain shops, you just wanna come to fix your mind and come to the shop that what are the things that you're gonna buy. But here it's not the compulsion. You can have your own choice. You can come to the spot blank minded, and from there you can choose book of your choice. So these are the books for kids. Illustrated works for kids. We should never judge a book by its cover, right? So if you are interested in reading these types of books, you can also even choose that. These are the books with 10% discount. Here in this particular shop, we get the boxing set. That is, the publication is Swazam Bookart. And when we went to the shop, they have told us that they have many types of book set. The first thing is, they have shown us a few books, and they said that Kamal sir has recommended few books in Big Boss, the reality show. So they have that collection, and also they have the collections of Topa, the Tamil writer who had passed away recently. They offer it in a discount price. So if you're interested in buying that, you can contact them. They'll deliver you by online, or you can go to the place and you can buy the books. That doesn't matter. When you want to buy, if you like to buy it, do refer our description for the number and for the address. They have all the collections of works from Sangam literature to the present one. Especially in Tamil works, they have all kinds of works with discount price. Here we have almost 700 shops, so you can get all varieties of book, the works of Leo Tolstoy, War and Peace, and these are self-help book. Works of Leo Tolstoy again, and works of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and works of Jeffrey Archer. And here we go with the Tamil collections. And they have also mentioned the paper, chart paper, stating the writer's name, so that you can choose book according to your favorite author. So you need not hurry search here and there for the work. You straight away go to the author that is pinned there, and you can choose book according to that. You can also get all types of translation works here in Tamil especially. So it helps you to know more about the book when you read it in your own tongue. When you want to read it in Tamil, the translation works better. Contact them. You can get books in the cheapest price. So these are the works by popular Tamil authors. You need not buy something, just visit the shop once you get time and just get the knowledge about books, so that it will be easy for you to get books in future. We are all known about the famous work Ponniyin Selvan. So the whole book, it has been illustrated for especially for the children. So this books totally it is about 18 books. So per books rates between 600 to 800. Price of the book doesn't matter when you gain knowledge now. So you can also order these books online by contacting them. I have also attached their contact details below. Do refer if you're interested in buying it. And these are the self-help book and collections of fiction. Here also you can get all the translated works in Tamil. Yeah, Rich Dad Poor Dad book in Tamil. You can get all collections of translated work here. They to provide you books with 10% discount. And when your book rates exceed above 1000, they also offer you a special price. These are the popular works that talks about the legends. So here you can get science comics for children. Yeah, it's the one I was talking about. Ponniyin Selvan. These are the philosophy combination of philosophy book and self-help books. So everything has been divided into 18 parts. These are books for kids. These are the popular writers' work. I hope I have covered almost all the books here. If you are in need of any of these books, you can contact the below given address or the contact number and you can get it from them. So here too they have pasted the name of the author on the top so that you can get book according to your access by referring the name. Here you can go with the biographical work and autobiographical work of the writers. And here Indian author novels. As I told you, they have given you with the placard. So you can choose books according to your taste, and they also offer books. Here self-help book which helps you to gain your knowledge and to improve your personality. And they offer novels like per novel for 199 or 3 novels for 299. So when you visit the that kind of shops, you can get your easy access books in the low price. So here are the comics work for children. I'm fond of reading Enid Blyton works. A Little Princess, Famous Five by Enid Blyton, Gothic Fictions. They also give the Enid Blyton work in a great bunch of set, so you can get it the first hand by the low price. These are the fictions, a combination of all fictions. You have to pick the one what you want. So here you need not waste your time. You can straight away go and pick the book that you are in need. These are the fiction for kids, and as I have told you, the first section per book rupees 499 and the third section per book rupees 399, and these are fictional works. From classics to the present literature, you can get all access of books, and the next shelf holds the rupees 199 per book. So you can pick any of this book for 199. So these are books for rupees 199. And here you can get books for 10% discount. Poetry collections of Tamil authors. You can also get philosophical books and spiritual books here, and these are books for kids. And the main thing for taking this particular video is that the arrangement of books. So here you can pick novels according to their taste. They have also given us the offer. Like when you pick 3 books, it is 299, and when you pick a single book, it is 150. So when you go with two 150s, you can pick 3 books. These are the philosophical books and mythological books. Here you can also get books, the religious books. These are books with offer. One book is equal to rupees 199. Fictions. So I repeat you again, we have also posted a video on blog for rupees 10, 20 and rupees 50 books for the cheapest price. And we have also posted the video on the books that we have purchased for 10, 20, 50 and the books that we have purchased in the book fair. So do have a look, you can get a idea, I hope so. We have attached the link in the description, and if you are interested in buying any of these books, we have given the address and contact number in our description. Just have a look and make a call and get the book that you are in need of. These are the fictional works. Here too you have the offer. Like when you pick a single book, it is about 199, and when you pick 2-3 books, you can get them for 299 or either 399. Collections of Dan Brown. Yeah, the first section is 199 and second is 299, third 399 and the fourth section is 499. You can get classics and literature for 199, non-fictions, cookery and recipes for 299, and the 499 would be the fictional works like classics. So these are children works, especially by Enid Blyton. These are also books for kids. When we have been to this particular shop, they have shown the works of the few books, stating that they are the recent selling books. So I hope we have shown almost all the collections of books here. So these are the books I was talking about. You can also get them in offer price, like one book is equal to 99. So these are the books relating to Cinefield. Here you also have mythological books and religious books, cooking recipe books. So they offer you books with 10% discount. We have also purchased 9 types of seed in the book fair. They are selling seeds too. So we bought that, and it is not for me. I'm not a good gardening person. So it is for my aunt who is best in gardening. We have also posted video on the particular topics that you are seeing on the screen. So if you are interested in watching it, do refer a description. That's all for today's vlog. Do keep supporting us. Please do like.